Lesson 7. All you need to know about numbers and calendar. 1. Hello everyone. Welcome to Bao TV Learn Chinese. Today we will learn how to count numbers in Chinese and how Chinese people count with hand gestures. After that, we will also learn how to say weeks, months, and years. This lesson is a bit long, so I split it to 2 parts. After this video, you can keep going to the next video for the second part of this lesson. Then, let's start. Part 1. Numbers and hand gestures. In China, we can count numbers 1 to 10 by one single hand. It's very convenient. 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 20 is 20 20 30 30 30 and so on. 11 11 11 12 12 12 and so on. Then 21 21 21 22 22 22 and so on. There is one number that has 2 formal ways to say it. It's for the number 2. For digit numbers and the 10-digit numbers, 2 could only be R. R. From hundreds digit, sometimes R could be replaced by 2. 2. Let's keep learning the following numbers and you will see more examples about it. 100 100 100 To say 101 is 101 101 102 102 102 and so on. 110 110 110 110. You can also say 101, 101 to be short. Be careful not mixing up 101 and 110. To say 111 is 111. We cannot simplify this to 111 and 112. 112. 120. 120. We can also say 120. 121 is 121, and so on. 200, 200, or 200. For the following is 300, 400, and so on. 1000, 1000, 1000. 1001, 1001. 1010, 1010. 1011, 1011, and so on. For 2000, usually we prefer to say 2000 than 2000, like 2387, 2045, 1100, 1100, or you can simply say 1001. 1200 is 1200, or 1200. But for the short way, it could only be 1200, but not 1200. 10,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,001, 1,058, 1,731, 1,2426, 1,9000, 100,000, 10,000,000, 10,000,000, 200,000, 20,000,000, 20,000,000. We cannot say 20,000,000 because for digit numbers we can only say 20. 1,000,000 100万100万 2 million 200万 or 200万 10 million 1000万1000万 2 million 2000万 Here, usually we don't say 2000万 100 million 1亿1亿 200 million 2亿 And also, we usually don't say 2亿 To have a more precise idea of when could we use 2 and when could we use 2, you can save this page. Numbers in pink color are the way we usually won't say, but they are all correct. Part 2. Tell time. O'clock is 点 1点 2点 3点 and so on. Here, for 2 o'clock, we don't use 2. It's 2点 Minutes 分 From 1 to 9 minutes, we add 0 before numbers, like 1点01分 1点02分 And after 10, we count it in a usual way. 2点10分 2点11分 For 15 minutes, 15分 We can also say 1刻 1刻 It means a quarter. And for 30 minutes, 30分 We can also say 半 2点半 which means half. Seconds 秒 Let's see more examples. 2点02分02秒 5点22分58秒 19点38分 凌晨4点半 晚上8点1刻 Midnight is 0点 For asking the time, you can say 现在几点了现在几点了现在几点了 What time is it now? 几 means how many. Le means already or something has occurred. To answer, you can say 现在是下午3点半。现在是下午3点半。Now it is 3:30 p.m. That's all for the first part of this lesson. If you like, you may keep watching the next lesson, and we will keep learning numbers in a week, month, and year. See you next time!